Might only get one out of here in the pocket weed blown. As clear as it is. Nope, there's another one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Here, buddy. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, buddy. Settle down, settle down. What a beauty. Have you seen a more beautiful fish? I'm gonna wet my hands on this net. I'll attempt to not mess up his slime coat, but that's a beauty. I mean, that's a solid probably 8-inch, 9-inch fish. If I didn't feel so bad about it, I'd probably measure him, but I'd say that's a solid 9-inch fish.